Alright guys, so all that footage you just saw, that was September 14th was when I put that sod and seed down. Today is September 23rd, so it's been about 9 days or so since I did all this, and I wanted to kind of show you the progress just after 9 days. So you can see the seed's really germinating really well. I mean, there's some really tall stuff, but there's also still a lot of smaller blades of grass just now coming up. You know, I overseeded this entire side lawn for the most part. The heavier areas of seed went down right in here where it's just a lot thinner. And I tried to seed a lot next to the sod just because I wanted the seed and sod to become one uniform stand of turf in this area. But I'm pretty happy with how things are going in this side of the lawn. Just after 9 days, I think it's looking pretty good. So I'm not sure if the camera's gonna pick this up really well, but right all along in here you can see a lot of tiny roots starting to shoot down into that soil. There's obviously some earthworms moving around in there, so all that's good. You can definitely start to see that sod is beginning to establish itself in this area. So that's how the east side part of my lawn is doing. This area has been pretty bad all throughout this past year, and I didn't do anything just because I knew I wouldn't have any success over the summer, and the best time was going to be this fall. The seed I used wasn't anything special. I just grabbed some generic stuff from Menards. I did my best to try to do research on some of the, big box store seed. I didn't want to get a lot of seed that had weeds in it, but when you buy a big box store seed, there is going to be some weed seed in it, but I wasn't too concerned about that. I didn't really feel like spending a lot of money on some high quality seed due to the chances of this washing out with it being on a slope. So that's how this whole area is doing. This was kind of one of my fall overseeding / renovation projects. I really didn't have a whole lot of projects in the lawn. I did have a lot of stuff going on in the backyard, which I will be sharing with you guys very soon in a video. Just haven't had time editing that, so stay tuned for that. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. That really helps support me and just helps me continue to make videos for you guys. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm Ben the Lawn Guard, and I'll see you in the next video.